Good everyone, still Drone PH. We have new leak photo and price with the new upcoming the DJI Avata 360. It's leaks from Chinese social media featuring the 8K 60 FPS, a 360-degree video with the dual 1-inch image sensor equipped with DJI Oppo transmission for a long range and omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It's have two control mode, the standard remote controller and the immersive motion controller with FPV goggles. It's have dual shooting mode guys, the single fat video and the full 360 capture. Okay, so that's pretty amazing. One more good thing with this, it's have also omnidirectional sensor sensing to detect object. Hopefully it's compatible also with FPV controller to fly like an FPV and some quick shot for more adventures. So hopefully. Leak price from Chinese social media is about $489 for standard version and $680 for a combo. So did you prefer to upgrade to DJI Avata 360? The answer is yes.